welcome to ALCOHELLO. My name is Think Twice Mike, and I'm going to teach you an easy gin drink you can make at home. My favorite gin drink, it's called the Bramble. Not a huge fan of gin, so it's kind of tough for me to make a good gin drink a lot of the times. I prefer the Bramble out of all gin drinks, so I'm going to make that for you. I've had a few requests for it, so here we go. First, you're going to use 2 ounces of your London dry gin. You're going to use lemon, 3/4 ounce lemon, and a 1/2 ounce of simple. And then you're going to top it off with a Creme de mure, which is a blackberry liqueur. I made my own, which is just muddled blackberries, vodka, and sugar. And I let it steep over 24 hours. And bada bing, I have my Creme de mure, blackberry liqueur. I have this too, and a lot of times, if I'm feeling lazy, I just use this on the top of my brambles. And those end up being pretty good. I'm gonna start off with 2 ounces of your London dry gin. Right into the shaker, front and center, 2 ounces. Bada bing. Then you're gonna do fresh lemon juice. I have fresh lemon juice here just to speed things up if this is not enough. 3/4 ounce fresh lemon. And I knew that wasn't gonna be enough, so here we go. 3/4 ounce fresh lemon. You can even add a little extra splash. I like mine a little more citrusy. Then you're gonna back that with a 1/2 ounce of your simple syrup. And then ice it down. This drink is served with crushed ice. I spared you the slamming around by crushing my own ice before this. All right, and you're gonna give this a good whip shake. This is pretty much, you really wanna get a good dilution on this. So if you could just shake it really vigorously, kind of like you're shaking your whiskey sour. Whew, hands are cold. All right, so we're gonna get every drop of that, and then we're gonna go right into the glass with whatever ice you got left, and then you're gonna go ahead and top it up with some more crushed and cracked ice. And my favorite part, the blackberry part, you just top it off with a good 1/2 ounce to 3/4 ounce of your Creme de mure. Then you're gonna go ahead, take a little garnish, boom, blackberry, and a straw. All right, now to taste. Always remember, stay classy, pinkies out. What I love about this drink is that it's very balanced. There's a lot of dryness coming from the gin and a little sweetness from the simple and the Creme de mure, but it balances out perfect with the citrus, and really one of my favorite drinks. Even though I don't necessarily like gin that much, this is probably my new and most recent favorite drink of all. So I love me some blackberries, and it just looks absolutely sexy when you're drinking. Look, all right. Anyway, that is the blackberry bramble, or Bramble. It's gin, simple, lemon, Creme de mure. Thank you so much for watching ALCOHELLO. I am Think Twice Mike, and that was the Bramble. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Everything that you see here is in a link below if you need it for a home bar or anything else. Thank you so much for watching.